express my sincere gratitude to the European community for organizing this breakfast and also for organizing this conference. On behalf of Puntland State delegation, I also would like to express our gratitude to the European community for supporting the people of Somalia generally and particularly Puntland State of Somalia throughout this difficult period our country has been going through for the past 20 years or so. Regarding the New Deal, principally we welcome as Puntland State of Somalia, and we have been working very hard to develop our critical needs. Puntland has already developed it. It has a second development plan, 5-year development plan. The first one was developed from 2005 to 2011, and the second development plan was also started from 2005 to 2017. So basically, Puntland has its own development plan. Puntland, as you may know, has also all government institutions in place, working properly. We know our priorities, and we know also our needs. We, as Puntland State of Somalia, we are at the developmental phase. In other words, we are different from the rest of the country, specifically from South Central Somalia. Also, as a part of federal government, we do believe that we have a right to be given proper consideration when it comes to priorities and needs, because we are development stage and not, in other words, a reconstruction or emergency situation like in many parts in the country, situation in many parts in the country. So principally we welcome, we have submitted our priorities and critical needs. We want to be considered as a pioneer federal state, and a state which has been a front runner when it comes to the end of the transition period of Somalia, a state which represents 1/3 of Somali territory and also 1/3 of population, in terms of population of Somalia. A state, basically state which has lagged behind the rest of Somalia during the former governments. State which was called no-go place. Luckily, today, Puntland State is a front when it comes to uniting Somali nation. We also want to have our own part of the cake, to be very explicit. So principally, we welcome. We want our needs and priorities to be put in place clearly. We are the development phase, and we need that to be taken into consideration. Thank you very much.
Issues that in front of us, so it's a problem if everyone speaks whatever they want. I think this should be restructured in a proper way. The other thing is, there's a clear weakness of this conference. We come here to have a one nation vision for the construction of Somalia. But we did not come here for division and fragmentation of Somalia. And I think this conference, the way it's going on, it looks like fragmenting Somalia right now. This is unacceptable. I think the structure should be go back and should be restructured in this conference. Otherwise, this is absolutely unacceptable from the structure that's going on. I think it's not the correct way. So let us go back and go to the blackboard and restructure the conference.
If I may.